Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I bought another new upright so I can go another 8 feet from the set of racks that are over in that corner. I'm going to add another 8 feet on them. That'll bring it so it straddles the back of the wood burning furnace, and the wood burning furnace will have the chimney going up through the center of that rack. Not my best plan, but it does allow me to do the job that I want to do. I want to have the chimney go up and go out just below the peak so that the heat from the chimney stays in the building. Gives the chimney a chance to cool off before it goes outside, and it adds heat into the building. I can mount a fan up there to blow heat or blow air over the chimney and keep the chimney cool and help warm the room. And since there's no insulation in the building other than a couple of random pieces tucked into the side walls where I've taken a package apart, I think that'll help keep the room a little warmer. Now the furnace is twice as big as what the building needs, even with no insulation. It's huge. If I load the thing up and turn on the blower, I'm sure it's going to warm the room up to the point where it could drive me out of the building. It's got a thermostat on it though, so I'll be able to control that somewhat. Still got to figure out how the thing works. I know the thermostat works, I know the fan works, I know everything on it mechanically does what it's supposed to do, but I don't know about the effectiveness of the controls. In any case, I want to move the material from the back wall and put as much of it on the racks as I can and store it where it needs to be stored. So that'll take a little bit of time, and that's what I'm going to be working on tonight. I got a couple hours. We're going to stay with it as long as I can. One of the things that I wanted to do is I have toolboxes over in this corner. This is my mom's toolbox for doing glass work. She likes to do stained glass. It's a class that she took at the senior center over in Coldwater. Really enjoyed it. And when I was at home, laid up after my first heart attack, she came over and brought her glasswork equipment with her. And we sat down and cut out a few pieces of glass to make a sailboat. And it's still in that toolbox. I need to finish it. Mom passed and I inherited all the glass working equipment, and that was a common request from everybody, all my brothers and sisters, that I should get that because Mom talked about it. So that'll be a project that I'll be working on sometime soon, hopefully. But right now, we need to move as much stuff out of here as I can and then store as many things on the shelves as I can. That means the shelves are going to be packed pretty full. I'm putting up shelves as fast as I can, but I need to get some space to work first, so things got to get out of the way. Well, I've got room to get back there. Let's get this upright back into the position. I got too narrow and upright. This is a 2-footer. No, this is an 18-inch. That's a 2-footer. $17. Well, that's not going to work. But I can return it. It is kind of annoying. Okay, that puts a stop to this job. So we're gonna have to wait. We'll see what comes up tomorrow. Well, I'd ask you for suggestions, but I know exactly what kind of suggestions I'm gonna get on this video. I'll see if I can get down to Menards tomorrow and trade this in and get a larger size. That way I'll be able to use that rack. I'll get the bottom shelf in. I'll get the new upright. I'll put it in the bottom shelf. Then I'll set the top shelf. And then as time and money allows, I'll get more shelves to put in there. I'm going to be running the chimney for the wood stove up to the center of the rack. I might just move the wood stove out a little bit, but I'm thinking it'd be better to have it run up to the center of the rack and just put some shielding on the shelves. That way I'll have more storage room and I'll have more floor space. We'll just have to see how that works out. Okay, that's all for tonight. See you guys in the next one.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.